Hello, my name is Takomi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a flashy and exciting drawing. Let's get started. So this might be the most basic way to draw a light. Put a source of the light with pale color and blur around it. Looks okay. But you can make this light more realistic and bright with an easy tip. Let's say now you want to draw a light of a filament lamp that provides a yellowish light. First, put a dark yellow on a background color, like this. Next, put a very vivid orange and very vivid yellow inside a dark color, like this. Finally, put a color that's bright in the previous color and is almost white to the center. Might be nice to make it blur like this. Done! How does it look? The left one is simple, but the right one looks a little more natural and bright, doesn't it? I don't mean which is correct or wrong, but having more options of expression should be more enjoyable. So let's dig deeper into this. As you know, there are many kinds of yellow, such as whitish yellow, pale yellow, vivid yellow, orangish yellow, dark yellow, and so on. The image of the order of the colors is roughly like this. The central color is the most whitish yellow in the gradation. The next color of the center is the most vivid yellow. And the exterior one is the most dark yellow. By the way, of course, you can use not only yellowish color palette, but also any colors. The way of thinking is the same. The central color is the most whitish, the next color of the center is the most vivid, and the external color is the most dark. Using this method, for example, you can draw a street light and a bright blue ray that is like magic in a fantasy story too. Have fun drawing! If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. Thanks! See you next time!